We've all heard the saying, good things come in small packages. Nowhere is this truer than with the mighty blueberry. This tiny fruit packs a nutritional punch that belies its size. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse. They are low in calories and bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But their real claim to fame? Their brain-boosting power. Think of blueberries as tiny superheroes for your brain. They're packed with antioxidants that fight off those pesky free radicals. Free radicals, those troublemakers, can damage brain cells and lead to cognitive decline. But blueberries, with their army of antioxidants, step in to protect your precious brain cells. But that's not all. These little blue wonders are also said to improve memory and focus. Feeling forgetful? Grab a handful of blueberries. Need to concentrate on a challenging task? Blueberries to the rescue. Whether you're a student facing exams or a professional tackling a big project, blueberries can be your secret weapon for success. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on these tiny nutritional powerhouses. Your brain will thank you. Blueberries have graced the earth for centuries, long before supermarkets. Native to North America, they were a staple in indigenous diets. Beyond food, they were revered for their healing properties. Today, blueberries are enjoyed worldwide. They've become a nutritional superstar. From wild origins to cultivated crops, their journey is remarkable. Their unique flavor and versatility make them a global phenomenon. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, dried, or in countless recipes. Blueberries are a true gift from nature, packed with health benefits. Let's face it, the world of nutrition is rife with myths and misconceptions, and blueberries, despite their stellar reputation, have not been immune to their fair share of misinformation. One common myth is that blueberries are too high in sugar. While it's true that blueberries contain natural sugars, their sugar content is relatively low compared to other fruits. Another misconception is that blueberries are only good for you when eaten fresh. Not true. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as their fresh counterparts. In fact, freezing blueberries can help preserve their nutrients, making them a convenient and healthy option year-round. Some people believe that blueberries are only beneficial for older adults. Wrong again. While it's true that blueberries can help protect against age-related cognitive decline, their benefits extend to people of all ages. From children to seniors, everyone can benefit from adding blueberries to their diet. So, the next time you hear someone repeating a blueberry myth, be sure to set the record straight. These tiny fruits are packed with nutrition and offer a wide range of health benefits, regardless of age or how they're consumed. Blueberries aren't just delicious, they're nutritional powerhouses, particularly when it comes to antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. They act as your body's defense squad, fighting off free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, neutralize these harmful molecules. Their anthocyanins give them their blue color and potent antioxidant properties. Adding blueberries to your diet boosts your body's defense against damage. Think of them as tiny bodyguards keeping you in top shape. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of vitamin C, an important antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Blueberries also provide vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. And let's not forget about manganese, a mineral that plays a role in metabolism and energy production. But that's not all. Blueberries also contain fiber, which is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber also helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. In a world of processed foods and nutrient deficiencies, blueberries stand out as a natural source of essential vitamins and minerals. They're like a multivitamin packed into a delicious, bite-sized treat. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack that's both delicious and nutritious, reach for a handful of blueberries. Your body will thank you. Remember those brain-boosting benefits we talked about earlier? Let's dive a little deeper into how blueberries work their magic on your brain. Studies have shown that blueberries can improve memory, focus, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. One way they do this is by improving communication between brain cells. Blueberries contain compounds that stimulate the growth of new brain cells, and improve the connections between existing ones. This enhanced communication helps keep your brain sharp and functioning at its best. Another way blueberries protect your brain is by reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. The antioxidants in blueberries help reduce inflammation, protecting your brain from damage. So whether you're a student studying for exams, a professional tackling a challenging project, or simply looking to keep your mind sharp as you age, blueberries can be your secret weapon for optimal brain health. We've explored the brain-boosting power of blueberries, but here's a surprising twist. These tiny fruits can also aid in muscle recovery after exercise. Yes, you read that right. Blueberries aren't just for your brain, they can benefit your muscles too. Intense physical activity can lead to muscle soreness and inflammation. This is a natural part of the muscle-building process, but it can be uncomfortable and slow down your recovery time. Enter blueberries, the unexpected heroes of muscle recovery. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly those anthocyanins we talked about earlier, help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress caused by exercise. This can lead to faster muscle recovery, reduced soreness, and improved athletic performance. So next time you hit the gym or go for a run, be sure to add blueberries to your post-workout routine. Whether you enjoy them in a smoothie, yogurt parfait, or simply on their own, your muscles will thank you for the extra boost of recovery power. Beyond their impressive health benefits, blueberries are simply delicious. Their sweet, slightly tart flavor is incredibly versatile, lending itself to countless culinary creations. Enjoy them fresh, straight from the container, for a quick and healthy snack. Add them to your morning smoothie for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for a satisfying and healthy breakfast. Incorporate them into salads for a touch of sweetness and a nutritional boost. But don't stop there. Blueberries also shine in baked goods. Blueberry muffins, pies, and crumbles are classic favorites for a reason. Their juicy sweetness adds a burst of flavor and a touch of natural sweetness to any dessert. And for a more adventurous culinary adventure, try incorporating blueberries into savory dishes. They add a surprising twist to sauces, salsas, and even meat dishes. Their sweet and tart flavor profile complements a wide range of ingredients, making them a surprisingly versatile culinary ingredient. Ready to get creative with blueberries? Let's go beyond the berry and explore some fun and delicious ways to incorporate these tiny blue gems into your diet. For a refreshing summer treat, try making blueberry popsicles. Simply blend blueberries with your favorite yogurt or juice, pour the mixture into popsicle molds, and freeze until solid. Looking for a healthy and satisfying breakfast option? Blueberry overnight oats are a great choice. Combine rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and blueberries in a jar, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Want to preserve the deliciousness of blueberry season? Try making your own blueberry jam. It's easier than you might think and makes a delicious and healthy spread for toast, crackers, or even peanut butter sandwiches. And for a special treat, indulge in some homemade blueberry ice cream. You can find countless recipes online, from classic vanilla blueberry to more adventurous flavors like blueberry cheesecake or blueberry lavender. By now, you're probably convinced that blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse. But are they really that good? The answer is a resounding yes. From their impressive antioxidant content to their brain-boosting and muscle-recovering properties, blueberries offer a wide range of health benefits. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and delicious, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet in countless ways. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, dried, or incorporated into your favorite recipes, blueberries are a delicious and convenient way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall health. So the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on these tiny blue wonders. Your body will thank you. Ready to experience the amazing benefits of blueberries firsthand? Join the Blueberry Brigade and make these tiny blue gems a regular part of your diet. Experiment with different recipes, explore new ways to incorporate blueberries into your meals and snacks, and discover your own personal favorite ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Share your blueberry creations on social media and inspire others to join the Blueberry Brigade. Let's spread the word about the amazing health benefits of this tiny fruit and make blueberries a staple in kitchens around the world. Remember, Every blueberry counts. So grab a handful, indulge in their deliciousness, and experience the transformative power of these tiny blue wonders for yourself.